Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, DYMO Mobile Labeler, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable Bluetooth pairing mode on this device. Firstly, we need to enable our device, of course. To do that, here we have the power button on the, maybe this is the upper side of our device. So click on the power button, and as you can see here we have the battery status, and the Bluetooth button is blinking. If you click on the Bluetooth button, this button, so in my case is blinking, so now my device is in pairing mode. But if your Bluetooth LED is not blinking, it means that you are not in the pairing mode. So to open the pairing mode, you need to press on the Bluetooth button and it will start blinking. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the other channel, and bye. See you.